What's up, traders? Tom Crown here with an emergency spice update. We are going to take a look at why Bitcoin is dumping today. This is a question we don't ask often, but today we have an answer, so let's check this out. Taking a peek here at the Bitcoin chart, we've seen in the last 3 hours, we've seen a substantial but not threatening downside move. So why is this happening? What's going on? I can tell you. Sometimes there is an answer. Taking a look at the Dixie chart, we can see hints as to what may be going on here. The dollar having an extremely strong day. We see it trading up to almost 95. That is a number we have not seen in a while. We zoom out here on this Dixie chart, we can see this is a new 2021 high for the power of the dollar, the DXY, the US dollar index. We've seen right now here today, and it just so happens to line up exactly with this Bitcoin red candle, a breakout of what could be potentially a neckline sitting at 94.65 right here. If we zoom in, this is a level we have not seen since September 2020, and interesting, it's actually also the lowest point during the March 2020 crash. So while we will expect to find resistance here, this is an interesting level. The dollar continues to move to the upside. I do expect the crypto market to continue to take a beating. However, I want to let you guys know, I don't believe that this is a long-term nor really a threatening thing to happen. We do expect typically the dollar to run opposite of crypto. We are now seeing that play out here, and it's pretty hard to deny. So let's take a look at the chart on Bitcoin, and we're going to see where we might look to see a bounce. So provided that the dollar doesn't continue on this ripper, we're going to expect a bounce here on Bitcoin. The trend is strong, and I don't really, no, I'm not even going to say that. I don't see the dollar rallying as an ender to a bull run, so don't freak out or anything. This is likely a temporary downside and watching for the dollar to reverse. So watch for that red candle is likely going to line up pretty well with when we see a bounce. So where might we look? On Bitcoin, there's something interesting going on. Using our SHIB tool, we have our swing low at 66 and our swing high at 69. The levels our extensions are pointing at are pretty spicy here. So our 1618 at 64.2, our 2 measured move at 63,000, and our 2618 at 61.5. The reason these levels are confidence building for a bounce is not only that they are the extension, but we see that each one of these levels is actually a daily, weekly, or monthly support. We can see that here a little more clearly. Right here being supported our 2 measured move coming from the daily, the weekly, our 61.5, we had a consolidation period there on the weekly, untested as support, and a likely target. There we are. I'll say a likely target. We have 58.8, which lines up perfectly with our 3.618. This chart is almost too perfect. It's almost too perfect, these levels. I can't tell you because I don't know which one of these we're going to see a bounce at, but one of them likely to provide us support here. Really going to come down to that Dixie play. So if we don't see a reversal in the short term, there's your targets. The farther down this comes, and honestly, to see 63K backtest daily support wouldn't be mind-boggling. But the farther this is pulled down, the larger resulting move to the upside once 69,000 is broken. Wanted to make this video really quick for everyone to keep you guys in touch. Considering streaming here in just a few minutes, but I want to put this video out. I don't think there's a reason to be worried, especially if we can have a daily close above 66 today. But trading lower wouldn't be surprising. It wouldn't be threatening. Really, anything above 58.8 and we're good, guys. So take a deep breath, relax. It's not over. We have tons of reason to believe each one of these levels is likely to provide us with support. It's really going to come down to how strong are the bulls. That's it, guys. Stay tuned. We are going to take a stream here. I hope this video is great. I hope you watch the whole thing. Like and subscribe. Love ya. Check out the page.